Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine, and we're going to teach you vocabulary with daily life. And you know what? I'm going to ask Alice about this. It may sound a little disgusting, but it's very important. 想要問 Alice 有關於血跟血有關係的字，聽起來好像很恐怖。你會不會看到血就會想要昏倒？
不會，只會覺得說啊，那個人受傷了。
哦，對，其實血是很重要的，不管是我們流血啦、要量血壓啦等等之類，我們來教大家跟血有關係的字好了。
好
Words associated with blood. That's what we're going to talk about. I feel like a vampire. 現在感覺好像是吸血鬼哦。And one of the most common things is to take blood pressure. 我們常常都會要量血壓，對不對？
對。
血壓怎麼說
？Heat up.
Heat up. Okay, heat up. That's blood pressure. 那造個句子好了，麻煩你幫我量血壓、測血壓。
麻煩你。
麻煩你。
老矮。
老矮哦，這常常聽到就是幫我嘛，對不對？老矮量血壓。
對。
Okay, that means please take my blood pressure. And then sometimes we may be walking or we may be playing sports or whatever. We may get hurt and we bleed. 流血。
流血。
流血. Okay, that's bleeding in general. Let's make a sentence out of this. I injured my foot and it's bleeding. 我的腳受傷流血了。
捱嘅腳。
捱嘅腳。
挫傷流血。
哦，挫傷就是受傷，是不是？挫傷 that means it got hurt.
流血的。
流血的 that means it's bleeding right now. 哦，好痛哦。
對。
對。
那流血的海陸腔。
哦，好。
流血。
流血. Okay, that's a different dialect for bleeding. And finally, I really encourage people to do a health checkup regularly. 其實我們平常都應該要這個身體檢查，對，身體檢查，然後要抽血嘛，對不對？所以抽血檢查怎麼說 ？A blood test.
出血檢查。
出血檢查 ，OK？ 出血 that means taking the blood out， 抽血 ，and 檢查 that means check up 要檢查，對不對？好，平時呢要定期做抽血檢查。
平常時。
平常時。
手愛定期。
啊，手愛定期。
就是要定期。
哦，定期 ，OK， that means regularly.
出血檢查。
出血檢查 Okay, again, that's the blood test. And we hope that everyone has a safe day and don't get hurt and do that regular checkup. That does for today's practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.